Welcome to Kids Corner Read Aloud. Today we are reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. I apologize, I have just gotten off of a cold, so I thought this was a good book, but I'm going to be drinking water. I'm clearing my throat a little bit. Sorry. I'm not contagious. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Light. I thought I could see better like that, but I guess then you guys can't see the picture. I guess we won't do that. Okay, so we have Gerald, and he is sneezing. Achoo, 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 achoo. Crazy Gerald, and then we have a Piggie, and he's like, me? Gerald, you're just wrong. I can't make you sneeze. It's like, oh, little innocent old me. I feel bad for him, don't you? Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald is holding his little tissue, an Elephant and Piggie book by Mo Williams. Gerald! Look at him. Look how happy he is. He's cartwheeling in. What do you want to do today? I want no. No. Oh no, I know. Oh no, I know. Yes. Oh what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Piggie has no idea. Wait, I think I missed page. Choo! He knocks Piggie over. Oh, is Piggie okay? Sniff. Are you okay? I don't know. Choo! I cannot stop choo! Sneezing. Oh no! He's like, Gerald, really? And then Gerald goes, oh no! And Paige is like, what's happening? You just knocked me out like a jillion times, dude. What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Piggie's like, I don't know what you're talking about, Gerald. Like, really. Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. He's like knocked him out like a jillion times. Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can accompany you. Oh no. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Mickey's like, wow, Gerald, I think you're taking it a step too far. I don't really know what you're talking about. You're fine. Maybe you just got a little bit of a cold. But Gerald's like, don't even talk to me. We can't be friends anymore. We must be apart forever. No, do not speak. Do not speak. Piggie's like, seriously, Gerald, you are overreacting. It is too late. It is too late. He can't even see Piggie. He's like, whoa. He's covering his eyes. Piggie's all ready for it. He's like, oh no. Okay, get ready. He's covering his eyes. He doesn't want it to happen. Say it isn't so. little pig. Choo. Well, that one wasn't so bad. He did try to sneeze more softly. Goodbye. Oh. Gerald! And then this is Dr. Cat, and she's like, what? Why is Gerald here? And why does he look so sad? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pig, make me sneeze! Okay, Gerald, calm down. You overreacted a little bit. Hey, smart cookie, are you okay back there? You scared? What about you, good egg? Huh? You guys good? Yep, we're good, Sophie. Yes, we're each other. Cool. So they're good. I just had to check on them because they get scared of loud noises. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I'm being fortunate of your cats, Doctor. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I was like, huh? I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, Doctor. I've never seen somebody excited to be sick. So excited. That's crazy. That's crazy business. Oh no. Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Guess what happened? Gerald gave Piggy a cold. Oh, dear Gerald. Okay, so here we go. So look at this back. Did you know in the back of every Piggy and elephant stories, there is a pigeon. Can you see the pigeon? Can you see the pigeon? There he is. Let us know in the comments down below if you've ever noticed that, if it's new to you, or if you've noticed some crazy looking pigeons. Bye. Wait. I'm so fogged up from my cold. You know what? Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on YouTube at Kids Corner Read Aloud. Bye. Oh.